Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Cloud Box, and this is the next video inside the Databricks playlist. And in this video, we are going to learn about how we can rename the existing column, which is present in the data frame, with the help of Pyspark. Okay, so let's get started. So first, I'll show you the data which is present in the DBFS in the file store, and in the file store we have tables. In the table there is one file dot order.csv. What I'm going to do, going to copy this path and I'll copy this. If you want to upload it, just go on the data, just go and upload. You will see this will come. Just use drag and drop, or you just upload from your local. So the moment you upload, this file is going to store inside a table. Okay, I hope it is clear. So I'm just going to read the data. So for that, I'm just going to create a data frame, a spark.read.option. Maybe I'm just going to make it like header should be true. And here I'm just directly defining the format, that is .csv. And here I'm just going to read the data .so. Okay, I hope till now it is very much clear. If you want to use with the display also, so just go here, display, and that just pass your data frame, and you will see you can see your results are coming in the tabular format. Fine. So before I start, as in SQL, what we do, if I have to rename a column, so what I do, like select column name as new column name from table. Okay, like this we do. Okay, so as is nothing but as a alias, or without putting as also it will work. So but here we are going to implement it using Pyspark, and Pyspark is very much popular. Not only one method we have a few methods for renaming the column. So what I can show you, we have 5 different methods. Okay, I guess there will be more, but I'm familiar with these 5. People mostly use these two only, with column renamed and the aliases, but I came with this 3 additional. You can implement it. Although in your real world project, mostly people are using with column renamed or the alias, but it's better to know the different methods also. So first I'll start with the with column renamed function. It is a predefined function in the Pyspark. Okay, so let's start. Df dot with column renamed. Okay, very much familiar. Like here I what I need to do, I need to give the old column name. Okay, and after that I need to put the new column name, that is going to be the renamed column. Okay, new column name. This is the syntax basically. Okay, so suppose I want to rename this region as a new region. What I'm going to pass, I'll put region as a original column, and the new column will be new region. Okay, okay, and I'm just going to show, and here I'm just going to only see the top 5 result. These regions should be renamed with a new region. As we can see, this region came with a new region. Fine. And if you want to show in the display, what you can do, you can take in one data frame, df1, and after that you take a display. In the display you just pass df1 and just hit enter. So you see, right, this region got replaced with the new region. Fine. So every data frame is immutable. The moment we are creating a new data frame, it is going to create, I mean, the moment we are doing any operation on the data frame, it is going to create a new data frame altogether. It's not the df1 was replaced by this, I mean, the previous data frame got replaced. No, it has created a new data frame, and on the top of that, we are doing some operation. This was the first option. Let's come to the second option with aliases. Okay. Now again, df dot select, while select only, we just give alias in SQL, right? So here what I can do, just like now I want to rename the country. Okay, country, you need to put dot aliases, and here you need to give the new column name. Fine. Here again you just take 5 record, it will be easier. So what I'm just giving a call. In the call I'm just passing the old column name. So it is very much similar to the previous method, like we are extracting the column. If you have not watched my previous video how to fetch the record using a select transformation, just go and watch. And after that I'm just putting dot aliases, and in the aliases I'm just replacing this country with the new column name. And before that, it is a new function call. So what I need to do, I need to import it. Okay, now run this. You see, right, this country got replaced with the new country, right? If you want to filter out all the columns, right, if you want to just filter out all the columns, so just add call, you just add a new reason. Similarly, if you want to go for the another column, so in that you need to put all the columns one by one. Okay, and let's run. I guess here I done one mistake. Oh yeah, because you know that is new reason, it's not going to happen. So in that I need to give reason only, because still it is taking the old data frame. Now we can see, right, this new country, reason, item types are coming. I hope this method is also good for you. Okay, now come with method 3 with column and drop the old column. Okay, this will be a tricky one, but the idea behind this function is I'm going to copy the column name value to a new column, and I'm just going to remove the previous column name. Okay, so like suppose I have a one column name A. I'm just going to copy the A to column name V, and B will be new column name, and again I'm just going to remove the column name A. Okay, so this is the with column. So with column is in Pyspark is used for creating a new column, or we are just going to create an additional column to existing data frame. So with column, and suppose in that I'm just going to give order ID this time. Okay, so with column it is going to give, it is going to create a new column, that is new order ID. First see like whether our data frame, whether our new column got created or not. Okay, yeah, we need to use call actually with the with column. Okay, one second. With column, right? I have already done it, but let's see. With column missing one required positional argument. Uh, I guess this shouldn't be happen, but I guess yeah, somehow it's happening. I guess it's like let's see. This is okay. I guess it is not working, but let's see. So what I'm going to give here, I'm just going to give a new order ID, and I'm just going to copy the value of order ID into new order ID. Yeah, this way it will work. Okay, because this new order id what I'm going to pass, right? So I need to pass some value, right? So we will give like this. Okay, I guess call will not required now. This order id is saying that's not defined. One second. Yeah, seriously I missed it, but yeah, now it will work. Right, so now let's see this new order id got created. Got it? Okay, so for a better purpose, what I am going to say, like just store in the one data frame df3, and let's run this. We will see like these both columns are present and the values are also same. Okay, this order ID, see this value like 706 and go to this. These values are very similar, like there is no difference in the value. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just use a drop function. In the drop function, I'm going to remove this order ID. Okay. Now run this. Okay. Now see this order ID column got removed and the same value got copied into the new order ID. This was the another method. Okay. Now come to the another one more method like df.select, and here I'm just going to give expression, and suppose I want to unit to sold as total sold. I'm just going to give unit sold as total unit sold, and now I'm going to store in the df5, and I'm just going to display this. Okay, now run this. Right, you can see you have replaced the these functions like unit sold as a total unit sold, and in that if you want to read all the columns, so here you can use call, and in the call you can put the column name like country individually. I guess this should run. Right, so similarly you can use it. So we have one more method for renaming. It's very similar to the select bracket expr. In that we are directly using select expr in one go, and now I'm just going to give order priority as a new underscore. I'm just going to use as a new order priority and display df6. Now run this. So this is very similar. Select bracket expr and select expr in one go. select select expr, right? It should run. Yeah, because why it is not running? Df dot I need to call it. Now you can see this also got renamed. Okay. This unit sold renamed to then sorry, this new uh, order priority renamed to new order priority. I hope this was very clear. So quickly I'll revise this. I have first read the data from the DBFS. Then I used with column renamed function. In that I have passed the old column name and the new column name, and it is going to do the job. And in that, this is more effective method, because in that we do not need to filter out the columns separately. So all the columns with come along with the renamed column. Okay. This was the second one using dot aliases I'm using. So here I need to use call function and I need to import that call function. And in that I need to call those columns one by one. I have used a with column. So in the with column, it is going to create a new column. And in the new column, after the with column, you need to put the new column name. And after that, you are just going to copy the value, right? The old value column to the new one. And after that, you are dropping the old column value. This was the one more method. So the this method was I have used select bracket expr, and it is nothing but aliases. And in that also you need to call those columns one by one. This was one more method that I'm replacing select bracket expr to select expr in one go. So I guess this was one method, two method, three method, four method, and five method. So I have covered the five different methods for renaming the column. If you really enjoyed this session, I request you please watch it again and do share with your friends, and please do subscribe my channel. I am uploading all the videos related to Pyspark, Azure Data Factory, data flows, so this and the Spark SQL. It will be so much fun if you are really interested to learn Azure data engineering. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.